Hi, myself Jaswant Singh, and I am assistant professor here in LPU Professional University, Fashion Design Department. And I'm here from last 10 years. I'm taking care of my subjects like textile chemistry and pattern making, garment construction, quality management, and garment manufacturing. So myself is a NIFT pass out, and why you should join LPU, because here we are giving the diversified degrees, like we are giving B Design, BSc, MSc, M Design and Diploma as well. Here you can opt your career in the field of manufacturing, in the field of design, in the field of merchandising, in the field of retail, in the field of buying houses. All the options we are providing, and as well as we are giving all the inputs. Like you will get the inputs like starting from the textiles, that what type of raw materials you are using, what are their properties, then how they are being draped, how their constructions are being done, what type of industry you will go, what type of different assembly line settings are being done, and how retailing is being done, how visual merchandising is being done. The all inputs are being given in single degree also, so that you are having different diversifications and different pathways to choose your career. Thank you.
Hi, myself Monica Arora. Since 14 years, I'm working as assistant professor in fashion design domain. And what I say about LPU, I joined my career here itself only. And I just can say this, I've born, I brought up, and I grown here only. And this is a very good place to work.
So what was the experience here?
Yeah, my experience is very nice. Apart from the our department, मैंने modeling का भी यहाँ पे activities में भी part लिया है, modeling वगैरह इन सब चीज़ों का grooming sessions I tried to do that from the first year only. So I was from 2018 batch. मैंने 1 year का term off ले लिया था for the बीच में gap ले लिया था COVID के चक्कर में. So not to do the online classes. मुझे practical knowledge ज़्यादा चाहिए होती है. So for that reason I took the term off for 1 year. I'm more of a practical person, so मुझे practical knowledge ज़्यादा चाहिए थी. So in that that term off I tried to do मैं अपना खुद का ही practice कर रहा था, करोशे वगैरह वो सब सीखा, try to do my inspiration my own.
I know that the fashion department is very nice. The professors are very nice. I hear from my sister-in-law. She's already studying in LPU, so she suggested, and I personally researched that. So I found it very good. First, I visited the department and meet the professors. So I really found, this is very nice. So I didn't give any NIFT or NID exams.
Okay. So what fascinated you after joining the college?
First of all, the diversity of the LPU, because in LPU we have a lot of options, and the exposure the LPU provides, it was very nice.
What is your aim in life?
So basically my particular aim is I want to be a fashion stylist.
Do you want to do a master's, or you want to directly go for your placement?
Directly, first I want to take a placement, then after, if I wish, so I pursue masters.
So you want to study in LPU masters, or you want to go to abroad? What is your aim if you want to study?
If I want to study masters, obviously I choose masters. And even in our 3rd year or 4th year, LPU this has a great opportunity that you can go for a student exchange program for 1 semester. You can opt for an abroad study.
Okay.
So this facility LPU provides, international exposure.
So you want to go?
Yeah, obviously in 4th year I love to go if I
get a chance.
Yeah.
So what is the criteria of if you want to go to abroad, but what is the criteria?
The criteria that LPU had, that you have no backlogs, you have a good CGPA, that's it.
What is the CGP line?
More than 7.
Okay. So thank you for telling so much information about LPU, and have a good future. Best of luck for you. Shifali? Chitranj, okay. Shifali, you're also in 3rd year?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you're from which place?
I'm from Bihar.
Bihar, okay. So, who told you about LPU?
Ma'am, I was studying in Patna. Means one of our institute there. Maya ma'am and Amrit sir has came and they have given some workshop. From there, I knew about the LPU and I came there.
Okay. So you gave NIFT also, or you just
No.
like you were
Straight like into
So,
LPU.
तो आपको कैसे पता चला कि LPU में फैशन डिजाइन करना है?
Actually, here I have a brother, so he suggested me to come here.
तो अच्छा, तो फिर आपको ये जो एक्सपीरियंस है LPU का, आप थोड़ा सा शेयर कीजिए स्टूडेंट्स के साथ कि उनको क्यों आना चाहिए?
Yeah, they should come here because teachers are really supportive here. They are here for every step, whenever you need them. And the campus, everyone knows about the campus, the infrastructure. You can get the best here.
ओके, सो आपको यहाँ पर जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है वो आप लोग ऑफ कोर्स लॉकडाउन में यूज़ नहीं कर पाए थे, तो आप मिस कर रहे थे घर पे?
Yeah, we were missing it a lot. Like basically, you know, the concert happening here all the time. We are missing that. The coming to the classes and interacting with teachers. We were missing that.
तो आप बोल रहे हो थर्ड ईयर में है, आपके कौन से प्रोजेक्ट चल रहे हैं, आप मुझे थोड़ा सा समझा सकते हैं?
फिलहाल अभी हमारे कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं लाइक कॉसेट के लिए अभी कॉसेट ड्रेसेस देन जैकेट्स अर्लियर वी आर डन विद जंपसूट्स जैकेट्स एंड ड्रेसेस नाउ वी आर लाइक मूविंग अहेड सो वी आर प्लानिंग टू मेक जैकेट्स
ओके, सो तुमको हैंड स्टिचिंग और मशीन स्टिचिंग दोनों सिखाया आपने?
हाँ।
या यहाँ पर आके ही सिखाया, पहले से ही थोड़ा बहुत आता था?
पहले से थोड़ा बहुत आता था, यहाँ आके काफ़ी ज़्यादा।
ओके, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा फील होता है, जो मुझे अभी तक जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हम लोग को अप्रोच करते हैं, तो उनको ये नहीं पता है कि फैशन डिज़ाइन में स्टिचिंग इज़ अ मेजर पार्ट ऑफ इट। तो आप थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कीजिए कि कितना मेजर पार्ट है स्टिचिंग।
डिजाइनिंग में स्टिचिंग एक पार्ट है, इट्स नॉट लाइक मेजरली अबाउट स्टिचिंग, इट्स नॉट अबाउट स्टिचिंग, इट्स अबाउट डिजाइनिंग। वी डू डिजाइन, वी डू illustration, it's more about taking inspiration and sketch whatever you want or according to the client. It's all about that, it's not about stitching.
नो बट स्टिचिंग जरूरी है।
हाँ, ये जरूरी है।
क्योंकि
It's
हमारे
like
बच्चे
ना-
समझते ही इस बात है ना कि
It's
स्टिचिंग
like ना कि अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो तो you should be knowing this. तो ऐसा सा है बस कि you should be knowing how to stitch properly. ये ऐसा सा है, ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम्हें बस स्टिचिंग
नहीं, वो तो ऑफकोर्स मतलब लोगों को लगता है सिर्फ डिजाइन करना है।
नहीं, हमारे घर पे ऐसा होता है ना कि बड़े लोगों को लगता है इट्स ऑल अबाउट टेलरिंग, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट।
ये बहुत सारे बच्चों को भी नहीं आना कि स्टिचिंग करना पड़ता है। ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू। मैं नाम भूल गई फिर से। शिखा, थैंक यू फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग एवरीथिंग फॉर टू आवर स्टूडेंट्स। सो योर फ्यूचर is very bright and best of luck for your future.
Thank you.